We got the trans. Hell yeah. Alright, so this is pretty much everything that I needed. What's up, guys? So right now I'm currently in Palm Springs. I just got out here. My car has been out here for like 2 weeks already. I had to leave it out here at my friend's shop because my warranty inspector was going to come look at it so I can inspect it and see if I have any modifications done to the car. So this is what happened. They went to go look at my car. They sent out an inspector like 3 days later, or not, like a week later, and we took off the whole turbo kit, the intercooler, hit the boost controller, tucked in the lines. We hit every modification. Had a stock exhaust, stock cats, stock intakes that we threw on. And so the guy came and took a look at it and took a bunch of photos of everything, every single little thing in there. And he saw my fuel regulator gauge in my engine bay that was tucked in behind all my hoses, took a photo of that. And then like 3 days later, they called me and they said that my claim was denied because of oversized tires and lift kit and performance parts. Oversized tires, I mean, it's the right tire size for my wheels. They made it sound like I was driving a truck or something. Like I turned my 350Z into a monster truck. And then performance parts, well, there wasn't any performance parts. We took all of that off. It was back to NA. And there's nothing performance about it after that. The guy just started listing a bunch of stuff like my seats, my roll cage, my harnesses, my oversized tires, my lift kit. Oh yeah, and then he keeps going on and on and on, and then he says short shifter, and I had to stop. I was like, whoa, hold up. What you mean short shifter? I was like, there's no short shifter. I was like, there's a shift knob. It's not a short shifter. So they're just gonna refund me some of the money that I paid for warranty. I didn't even know I paid like close to $1,700 for warranty. They're gonna refund me like $480 back because of the mileage now that I have, because I got my car with 20,000 miles and now it has 76,000 miles. So last night my friend sent me a link on OfferUp of this dude selling a transmission for $1,000, a brand new 370Z transmission. He listed it as 350Z transmission, and I talked to him and he said it's a 350Z. He got it for his HR because he used to work at Nissan, but part number, it's a 370Z part number. We'll see. I'm gonna pick it up, $1,000 instead of 2,000. I'll take it. Oh, I see him. He's right there. We got the trans. Hell yeah! So stoked, dude. That was the best $1,000 I've ever spent. These transmissions are $2,500 from Nissan, or if you have a homie, they can get them usually for like around $2 grand. I just got this thing for $1,000, fresh, brand new. So I'm picking up the camera a week later. I had to order some stuff for the transmission because we noticed it didn't have a slave. So I got a HC clutch slave cylinder from Z-Speed and a few other little things. We'll talk about it later, but yeah, I had to wait for that stuff to come in. It took like a week and a half because Z-Speed, I think they forgot to ship it out. I ordered it on Black Friday, so it took a while. Supposed to come in on Friday and it didn't. They never shipped it out, so I hit them up and sent it out Monday. Today's Wednesday. Should be coming in today. I don't know if you guys remember, but last time I made a video on the 600 LT, the one that was shooting crazy flames. His name's Forrest. His YouTube channel is Forrest Auto Reviews. So he does a bunch of car review videos and stuff like that if you guys want to check out his channel. I'm pretty much gonna go meet up with him right now, help him film McLaren that he's getting delivered right now at 9, the 620R McLaren. If I had the Z, we'd probably catch a run, but I don't, which sucks. But it's all good. Forrest just took the delivery of the 620R. Look at this thing. at all this carbon back here. That's crazy. Got a camera right here on the roof scoop. Carbon. Carbon. The floor's carbon too, or what? Dude, it is!
The whole floor, dude.
Holy shit.
Literally the entire floor, bro.
To this roof scoop. Look at this. Dude, this thing is so sick though. It has like some vents right here that go in, shoot out, go out the hood, and then into the roof scoop. And all
Seriously,
that.
bro, these are so thin. Like, feel in here. Like, that's
Holy
freaking... It's like paper thin, my guy.
I really like the floor though because you can just like clean it off so easy.
Yeah, bro.
There's like no rugs, mat,
it's
whatever.
crazy that that's the structure of the freaking car, bro.
Damn, door's pretty heavy though. Mm-hmm. Not gonna lie. I gotta scoot this seat up because I'm only 5'3". The steering wheel goes in, huh? It should go in, right?
Yeah, it goes in.
How do you do it? Is it a button?
No.
It's good. Oh, that's so much better. Much better. That way I can see over the steering wheel. Then you got the AC blasting in here, huh?
In here? Oh, dude, it was hot, bro. It was getting hot. I was freaking dying, dude.
I feel it. Like
you have to like really push on the
push it in, huh? Because they're like really stiff.
Yeah, they're like freaking race car brakes, bro. You have to like stand on those brakes, dude. Punch it, bro.
It's so sick. Yeah, I love the rear wheel drive.
You want a U-turn right here?
Okay.
What do you get? I'm sure you get somewhere. That's crazy, bro. These tires take a lot of warming up, bro.
Dude, my Mickeys, they warm up in like 10 minutes.
Dang, that's a long time.
No, or fast. No, that's pretty fast, actually.
Yeah. Oh, 10 minutes.
Yeah, just driving, and dude, they warm up, and like these are still spinning.
Yeah. These take a lot, bro. Okay, come to a complete stop right now. Complete stop, complete stop, complete stop, complete stop, complete stop, complete stop. Okay. I'm gonna take this out of manual. Okay. Put on the brake. All the way down the brake, and then floor the accelerator and hold it.
Okay.
Let go.
Dude, it feels sick. Like you feel it in your stomach.
Ooh, dang.
Dude, the 600s are my favorite.
The 600 LT, I think I like a little bit better.
Me
like
too.
The drama.
Yeah, the sound of it is, I think it's louder. The 600 LT is louder, and the pops and everything.
It's way louder because it's a shorter exhaust. It's right behind your head. There, slow down, like brake. That way you can get a pull right here.
right, so that's the end of that. Just left the guys. They're right here. Two little cute guys in this McLaren. Yeah, my girlfriend just texted me and said that my package came in. Well, it came in like 2 hours ago. But Jesus, he just launched it. Alright, so this is pretty much everything that I needed. So I needed this O-ring. It's like a clutch O-ring that you need to replace when you take the clutch out, I guess. Got Motul 5.1 brake fluid. Had to get 4 bottles of these. I think the transmission takes like 2 or 3, and then for the brakes too, because I need to bleed those. Something's going on with my brakes. And then I had to order a new master cylinder too. All this stuff is from Z-Speed, so new master cylinder. So instead of going with the clutch slave cylinder delete kit from Z-Speed, I ended up getting this instead, which is the HDV2 concentric clutch slave, whatever, you can read that there. Because my transmission didn't come with the clutch slave cylinder, which is completely fine because I wasn't going to use the stock one anyways. I was going to order the clutch slave cylinder delete, but if I got that, I would have had to change the piping on my turbo, which goes underneath the transmission, because it would be hitting the piping. So I would have to get a different piping made or get it from Booster Performance because they make it. But that's like another 200 bucks. Didn't really feel like waiting, honestly, for the piping to be made. Dude, if this one's better than the stock one, it should be fine. I'm sure this one's really good. Literally everything I needed, I have it, and it was under 450 bucks. And the clutch slave cylinder delete is 500 bucks itself.